First, I like to make groups to organize my macros. You can do it or not, so just if you'd like, you can press the bottom left plus signs and retitle them. So I have sample group for these YouTube videos. Then to make a macro, under the macros column, you just press the plus sign. Whoa! Too many macros. Okay, and let's title this Open Vimeo. And that's just what I'm recording this on. So I thought it'd be a good example. Next, we're going to go New Trigger. And this is what's going to run the macro or tell it to start going into motion. So I like the hotkey one because that one is for keystrokes. So I'm just going to press Shift V. And so whenever I press Shift V on my computer, it'll open Vimeo. And so it's good to make them something that's the letters the same that you can remember. And I probably wouldn't do something like Shift T because you use capital T a lot, but I almost rarely never type capital V, so this will be fine. Next, we're going to add a new action, and you can click into here to get, specific with it. And some of them, like you can add ones to your favorites or search. I have URL searched, but search for different ones. I just like going all actions, and if you know the name of it, it's pretty easy. You type in URL, and it's not actually get URL, it's open URL. If you do get URL, it'll be a little different, but this is the simplest and easiest. And then if you can see me going to another tab, I'm copying the link from Chrome and just pasting it in here, and that should do it. 2 quick things, you're probably good to go, but if you'd like to open multiple tabs, then you can do that. All you have to do is add another action by going URL and clicking it again twice, and that will open 2 tabs when you do Shift V. But if you want Shift V to be for Vimeo and then Shift G to be for Google, then you'll have to make a new macro and do the process over again, but instead of Vimeo, you'll put Google. And if you want to delete stuff, just click it, backspace. Yeah, hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.